It's been a while since I sort of vlogged, so I don't really know how to do this, but me and Tina are doing another cold swimming on a beautiful day. Is this, yeah, I think it's still April, right? So yeah, on a beautiful April morning. The temperature is not as bad as it used to be. It's slowly warming up, so it's gonna be a good swim. But the temperature is still 3 degrees though. Don't let the sunshine deceive you. It's really cold still. Ready? No! So beautiful. I don't know what Tina's trying to do. You got this, Tin. So yeah, first thing first, after you find yourself, I don't know why, like every time I film something or film the swimming videos, I always try to make it seem like it's one of those
seamless.
How to make a start on cold swimming, or what to do when you're out cold swimming, sort of thing, even though it's not intentional.
Step by step.
But yeah, it's always here we go. It's always good to base yourself somewhere somewhere closer to the lake, so that you can just get out the water straight away and get changed. And yeah, don't forget to bring yourself a mat, so that it's easier to place all your belongings.
Can you even hear your voice?
Yeah, because the audio is really good on this camera, okay, Tina?
Oh, my nano clothes. It's coming off.
And it's also easier if you wear something loose, so that you can get in and out quicker, easier, less painful, because once you get out of water, if you're trying to put on something that's a bit tight, it's gonna drain your energy. Yeah, apart from that, it's all about going for it. Oh my god, that's such a nice question to that. We're actually seeing each other after a really long time, doing cold swimming after a while, so we're both wearing our new costumes. Oh my god, wow, that's so cute.
What's wrong? Oh, why are we doing that?
Okay, we got this.
That's so calm inside, Dad.
We got this now. Let's go. Alright, ready? Jump! Don't jump! What?
I know!
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's so nice. Oh my god, wow. Sun.
Son! Hallelujah!
I don't think we can go far, like we just dive.
David!
Sit down, sit down. I forget that my hair is like pretty long now. How's it going, Tin?
Oh my god. My arm. It's good. Oh, I'm so grateful for the sun.
Oh, so like Tina said earlier, so grateful for the sun. Wow, it's the best feeling ever. Sun and the water both at the same time. Woohoo! I don't know what. Why are you holding your hands up?
It's like so okay.
Oh, it feels so nice.
Sun in my face. No.
Okay. Hi, little duckies. Oh, I recognize them. I do. I saw them last time I came here. Let's swim together. Just casually swimming with my friends. Dina, they want you.
Can you even touch them?
Yeah. Don't do that, Dina. Don't do that. Lana,
I'm feeling in water.
that's annoying. Don't. Oh, we did it! Woohoo!
Yes, hallelujah.
What? Yeah, this is definitely the worst part about cold swimming. Getting changed and feeling cold and shivering.
It's not that bad though. I never know.
Yeah, because I think it's mainly because of the sun. Yeah. But yeah, I think in past month or so, I've been swimming quite a lot, and gradually it's been easier to sort of control my breathing after I get out. Yeah.
Swim going on. It looks. I recorded that you've been out swimming. Anyway, would you like to record this activities? Yeah, workout. Yeah, swimming workout.
Oh my god.
First time down.
Clever. I think that's it. Yeah. Thank you so much for
Joining us.
in this swim session, and we've had a really great time taking you along in our little Dina and Ramuna swimming adventure. And yeah, I've been swimming quite a lot in recent weeks. and I haven't really been able to film as much as I could. But Miss Tina Boon, she just makes it happen for me. So yeah. If you wanted to take up pole swimming, I hope this works as an inspiration for you to get out there and start your swimming journey. And it's gonna be easier anyway because it's almost summer now, so make the most out of all these wonderful, beautiful, wild places that we've got around you. I mean, that you have got around you. As you can see, I'm struggling a bit. Oh my god, let's go. Alright, bye. Oh, that's gonna fall off, no more.
नहीं ऑर्डर है
और क्या
ऑर्डर सा क्या है
हो रहा
हाँ